In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect the Trojan bot to your Phantom wallet. Let's start by opening Phantom. Once you have it up, you'll need to log into your account. If you're new to using Phantom, ensure your credentials are handy for a smooth login process. After logging in, you're taken to the home page. Here, you'll see your balance along with the tokens in your account, plus an array of actions you can take, such as receiving, sending, swapping, and even buying more tokens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface if you haven't yet, as these functions are essential for managing your crypto effectively. Now, let's move on to accessing your account settings. Tap on your profile icon, which is usually located at the top corner of the screen. From here, you'll want to select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to Manage Accounts. Here, you'll see various options to customize and view account details. We're now at a crucial step, displaying your private key. Click on Show Private Key. For security, Phantom will prompt you to enter your password again. This is a security measure to protect your sensitive information. After entering your password successfully, your private key will be displayed. Carefully copy this key. Remember, your private key is extremely sensitive, akin to the password of your account, granting access to your funds. It's important to handle this piece of information with the utmost care. Never share it with anyone or store it in an insecure location. With your private key copied, it's time to open Telegram. We'll be navigating to the Trojan on Solana bot next. In the Telegram app, locate the Trojan bot. Once you're there, find the Settings menu. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Wallet. Clicking here will present you with the option to import a Solana wallet. Now let's import the wallet by pasting the private key you copied from Phantom. This action links your Phantom wallet with the Trojan bot, allowing integrations between the two, and there you have it. You're now successfully connected. By following these steps, you've empowered your Telegram experience, enabling the Trojan bot with direct access to your Phantom wallet. This connection streamlines transactions, making it easier and faster to execute them directly from your Telegram interface. Remember, safeguarding your private key and maintaining up-to-date software and security measures in all your applications is crucial. Thank you for following along today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content in our future videos. Have a secure and fantastic day managing your digital assets.